Alright, chat. Today we are gonna play Mukbang Simulator. Hello, who's in here? As you eat, I will watch you. Alright, guys. Flaming hot chicken. Hey, let me eat, buddy. Let me eat. Open these gates. What are you doing? I see y'all got some food. It would be a shame if somebody just took all of them and stuff. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got the taboki. Oh my goodness. So good. We drink the soup. Yeah, haha, you don't have to eat. Haha, what's up, buddy? I'm running away. How far can I go? Our doors are always open. If your doors are always open, then do you get robberies? Oh my, let me in. Let me in. That's it, I'm leaving. This sucks. Oh my god. It costs money? Like, fine, bro. Ma'am, there's food in my room. Clean this up. Oh my goodness, guys. What do you have? Crab claws? How do you place? Oh, it's right here. Alright, let's just steal all these. Alright, first we got the lobster tail. That does not sound like a lobster. And how about the claw? Do you eat the shell? Do you eat the shell? Close the door. Yo, why is there so much food? I screwed it, but I'm leaving this game. If you guys enjoyed, goodbye.